Young Classic.
X1 and the mix.
Oh, no, no. Yeah, yeah. Tell me if you want me cause I want you. Tell me if you love me too. Cause I wanna put you in the right mood. And I want to.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sophytrick. So today's video is a tutorial on how I created the sunset eyeshadow maker. So if you want to see, stay tuned. Excited about something I want to present to you guys. Yeah. This is my new baby. Yeah, my new baby. You can see it here. Sophytrick 3D Mink Lashes. I can order yours from my IG handle by sending me a DM, or you send me an email. It will all be in my description box. So guys, try to make sure you have ears. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification button below so you can get updates on my videos. And please kindly give it a thumbs up if you like it and share with your friends. Thank you guys, I love you.
You too. Tell me if you want me cause I want you. Tell me if you want me to. Cause I wanna put you in the right mood. And I want to rock you too, yeah. Oh no, no. Yeah, yeah. Cause your body's amazing, you're driving me crazy. Oh no, no. Yeah, yeah. I'ma ride you like a Ferrari. Call me when you're horny. Call me when you're lonely. Call me when you need some loving, need some fucking. Call me when you're horny. Call me when you're lonely. Call me when you need some loving, need some fucking. Oh no, get your body back. Your police calling me. I'm coming for you. Oh yeah, I'm coming on you. Turn me on, turn me on. Oh no, yeah, yeah. Yeah, your body's amazing, you're driving me crazy. Oh no, yeah, yeah. I'ma ride you like a Ferrari. Call me when you're.
I already did my brow behind the camera. So now I'm using the sweat shade on my transitioning color with classic eyeshadow in Rainbow Collection 3.
Call me when you're lonely. Call me when you need some loving, need some fucking. Oh no, get your body back. Your police calling me. I'm coming for you. Oh yeah, I'm coming.
Using the same shadow palette, I'm going over my transitioning color using the orange shade.
Oh yeah, I'm coming on you. Turn me on, turn me on. Oh no, yeah, yeah.
I'm going back with the red shade in the outer corner and I'm just blending it. I am applying the reddish brown shade in the outer corner to darken it, and I'll be blending it in.
Tell me if you want me to, cause I wanna put you in the right mood. And I want to rock you too, yeah. Oh no, no.
So right now, it's time to cut the crease, and I'm doing so using this concealer.
Call me when you need some loving, need some fucking. Call me when you're horny. Call me when you're lonely. Call me when you need some loving, need some fucking. Oh no, get your body back. Your police calling me. I'm coming for you.
So first, I'm applying the yellow shade here by patting it on gently.
For you. Oh yeah, I'm coming on you. Turn me on, turn me on. Oh no, yeah, yeah. Yeah, your body's amazing, you're driving me crazy. Oh no, yeah, yeah. I'ma ride you like a Ferrari. Call me when you're horny. Call me when you're lonely. Call me when you need some loving.
So now I'm applying the orange shadow, yeah.
Cause I wanna put you in the right mood, and I want to rock you too, yeah. Oh no, no. Yeah, yeah. Cause your body's amazing, you're driving me crazy. Oh no, no. Yeah, yeah. I'ma ride you like a Ferrari. Call me when you're horny. Call me when you're lonely. Call me when you need some loving. Need some fucking. Call me when you're horny. Call me when you're lonely.
So now I dipped in my brush into the red shade and the orange shade to give me a darker shade of orange, and I'm just applying it on here.
Tell me if you love me too, cause I wanna put you in the right mood, and I want to rock you too. Tell me if you want me, cause I want.
So now I'm going in with the red shade at the outer corner.
Yeah, yeah. I'ma ride you like a Ferrari. Call me when you're horny. Call me when you're lonely. Call me when you need some loving. Need some fucking. Call me when you're horny. Call me when you're lonely. Call me when you need some loving.
So yeah, I dipped this brush into the yellow shade and the orange shade, and I'm just dabbing it on here to lighten this part up.
Call me on you. Turn me on.
I'm going back to the reddish brown color, and I'm just using it to blend the edge up.
I'ma ride you like a Ferrari. Call me when you're horny. Call me when you're lonely. Call me when you need some loving. Need some fucking. Call me when you're horny. Call me when you're lonely.
I'm still blending with the same shade, and I'm gently dabbing it on the initial place I put red.
When you need some loving, need some fucking. Oh no, no. Get your body back. You did me something.
Sorry guys, the lining video is blurred, so I had to make do without it. But then, isn't this looking like a sunset already?
Oh no, no. Get your body back. You did me something. I do what you want. You put me on the long thing. Get your body back. You did me something. And I do what you want. You did me something. Get your body back. Yeah, 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 yeah. Hey. Going out. Young classic. X1 and the mix.
X1 and the mix.
Get your body back. You did me something. I do what you want. You put me on the long thing. Get your body back. You did me something. And I do what you want. You did me something. Yeah. Tell me if you love me too, cause I wanna put you in the right mood, and I want to rock you too.
So guys, I'm using the same reddish brown shade I used before in my under eye.
In the right mood, and I want to rock you too. Tell me if you want me, cause I want you. Tell me if you want me too, cause I wanna put you in the right mood, and I want to rock you too, yeah. Oh no, no. Yeah, yeah. Cause your body's amazing, you're driving me crazy. Oh no, no. Yeah, yeah. I'ma ride you like a Ferrari. Call me when you're horny. Call me when you're lonely. Call me when you need some loving. Need some fucking. Call me when you're horny.
I'm using Kiss Beauty White Kajal to line my inner eye.
Lonely. Call me when you need some loving. Need some fucking. Call me when you're horny. Call me when you're lonely. Call me when you need some love.
So now I'm going back to my nose highlight. This nose, it must be pointed by force.
Oh yeah, I'm coming on you. Turn me on, turn me on. Oh no. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, your body's amazing, you're driving me crazy. Oh no.
So now I'm using a red blush on my cheek.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, your body's amazing, you're driving me crazy. Oh no. Yeah. I'ma ride you like a Ferrari. Call me when you're horny. Call me when you're lonely.
I am highlighting my face using Classic Glow Kit.
Call me when you're horny. Call me when you're lonely. Call me when you need some loving, need some fucking. Call me when you're horny. Call me when you're lonely. Call me when you need some loving, need some fucking. Oh no, get your body back. Your body's calling me. I'm coming for you. Oh yeah, I'm coming on you. Yeah. Yeah. Turn me on, turn me on. Oh no. Yeah. Yeah, your body's amazing, you're driving me crazy. Oh no. Yeah. I'ma ride you like a Ferrari. Call me when you're horny. Call me when you're lonely. Call me when you need some loving, need some fucking. Call me when you're horny. Call me when you're lonely. Call me when you need some loving, need some fucking. Oh no.
Get your body back, you did to me something, I know where you went. You put me on a long thing, get your body back. You did to me something, I know where you went. You did to me something, get your body back. Yeah.
Hey.
First of all, I'll be balming my lip using the Vaseline lip balm. I'm actually going for a number lip. The first shade I'll be using is Cocoa Bean in Classic Lip Gloss.
Call me when you need some loving, need some fucking. Call me when you're horny. Call me when you're lonely. Call me when you need some loving, need some fucking. Oh no, get your body back. Your body's calling me. I'm coming for you. Oh yeah, I'm coming on you. Yeah. Turn me on, turn me on. Oh no. Yeah. Yeah, your body's amazing, you're driving me crazy. Oh no.
So now I'm going in with a classic lipstick in Plum. I'm actually using the glossy part. That is the part underneath the main lipstick itself.
Me when you need some loving, need some fucking. Call me when you're horny. Call me when you're lonely. Call me when you need some loving, need some fucking. Oh no.
Get your body back, you did to me something, I know where you went.
This look is almost set, but right now I'm tinting my brow using this brow gel.
Like a Ferrari, call me when you're horny. Call me when you're lonely. Call me when you need some loving, need some fucking. Call me when you're horny. Call me when you're lonely. Call me when you need some loving, need some fucking. Oh no.
Get your body back, you did to me something, I know where you went. You put me on a long thing, get your body back. You did to me something, I know where you went. You did to me something, get your body back. Yeah.
Hey. Going out. Young Classic. X1 and the mix.
X1 and the mix.
Get your body back, you did to me something, I know where you went. You put me on a long thing, get your body back. You did to me something.